lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Write myself all of my favorite things.
Hello people of the internet, this is polymorph plastic. It is a moldable plastic, so when it heats up you can mold it, and when it's cold it's a solid. Yeah, you can get this from Amazon, the place of happiness. Okay, so now you're gonna take some boiling water, put it in a glass, and add as many pellets as you want. And then you're gonna wait until it turns clear. And once it's clear, you can mold it. Please don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. So grab a sticky or something. There's the stick. Grab the stick, take it out, and now you can mold it. So just roll it up. Roll, roll, roll. Roll it into a sausage. Oh, you don't need that piece. Roll it up, flatten it out. This is gonna be our strip to create the teeth. Then once it is not fully white but not completely squishy, you can cut it out into your desired shape. I'm doing triangles, like sharp triangles, because you know I'm doing some vicious teeth. Yes. Cut out faster. Cut. I usually make more, way more, because I like having options. And then once that's done, use that other piece, roll it up. This is gonna go in our mouth. Yay! Kind of like a mouth guard. So fit it around your teeth. Make sure it fits well. It can stay in place. Yes, do that. And then just wait until it turns white, until it's a solid, before taking it out. You can create top and bottom teeth if you like. See, now it's white, it's solid. Then stick your gum part onto a hairpin or something. Use a blow dryer to heat it up so you can stick the teeth you cut out directly onto the gum. Like that. Yes. Okay, let's speed this part up now, because it's pretty straightforward. Oh, she's fast. She's fast. Yes, go. And then when you are done, you can paint this however you choose. I usually use tooth enamel, but you can use paint, whatever you prefer. You can use food coloring. I don't know. There the teeth are. Congratulations, we just created teeth. Yay! Hey, bye.